Hello everyone and welcome back. Now, I've got a friend and her name is Claire, and Claire has sent this to me. She's just messaging me there saying, "Oh, have you got it open yet?" It's from the Knitting Network, and what she's done is she's ordered yarn and she had some sent to her and some sent to me. And the way it is, you get two boxes apparently. These two are stuck together, they're all taped together. She's texting, she's messaging me away there. You gotta open, you gotta open. I'm opening it, Claire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this end. It's going to be easier. It's like a puzzle box. And I'll flip it around and I'll open the other side. You're getting the first showing the same as me because I have never heard of the Knitting Network. So let's see what is in this, because I have never ever gotten anything from the Knitting Network. Not that I know of. Ooh, 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 look at this. Oh, very nice. Oh my goodness, this is nice. It says Sublime Extra Fine Merino Wool. Its shade is 068, and how much is in it? I think it's like, oops, I've just rolled a bit off in my excitement here. It tells you to use a 4mm. It's 100% extra fine merino, and it's so soft. Look at that. It's really thin. You don't actually see, it's not like a yarn twisting strands. It's really nice. It's a bit like the cotton cakes, but it's so soft, my goodness. It doesn't say how much is in it. Hang on, it will do somewhere. 50 grams. Oh, it had to be there, didn't it? Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, squish, squish, squish. So squishy. Right, so there's two brown ones. So that's 100 grams. Oh, that's a pretty colour. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this, Claire. This is really pretty. Oh my goodness, another one. That's 100 grams. Two of this one. Again, there's no actual colour. It's just a number. And this one, if you go on to the Knitting Warehouse, Knitting Network, the Knitting Network, it's called a mega box. And it's just a colour number again. This one's 55% wool and 45% cotton. So this one is called Sublime Isabella. And it's slightly different. There's got a little slight white line running all through it, if you can sort of see that. The brown is just a plain brown, but this one's got like a white thread running through it. That's so pretty and it's so soft. Look at these, my goodness. Oh, there's a little leaflet in there. Oh, 10% off your next order. So the next two feels like a cotton again. It says Jeannie Denim. This is a style craft. It's 100 grams. It's an orchid. It's called orchid. 60% cotton and 40% premium acrylic. And it's really, really soft. These are so pretty. Do you know, I'm going to pull these ones out. I have got, oh, that's so soft, my God. Right, one at a time. One at a time, one at a time. I've got an idea of using up. I've been given quite a bit of the cotton yarn, and I've got a brilliant idea for a topsy-turvy granny blanket with all these colours of these cottons. So anyway, this one is really, really soft. It's 210 meters and it's 230 yards, and it's an Aran weight. It's an Aran weight. It's quite slightly thicker than a double knitting. It's so pretty. Look how pink that is. It's like a candy floss pink. They've called it orchid. Oh, eyelash. Is it eyelash? Funky fur. Funky fur. That's nice. Do you know that would be nice if you're making baby hats and you crochet in for a frill with a baby hat. That is so nice. It's a little better. I think it might work out a little better than the fur, the marabou fur that I put on. A lot of the marabou fur, it comes off, but I don't think this will. Look at that. That's so pretty. Or if you crochet little teddy bears and things, that would be brilliant for that. A doodle. Sirdar Snuggly Doodle, double knitting. It's all mixtures of colours, and there's two of those. There's two of those. How many? I think this is a 50-gram ball. It's quite a 50-gram ball. It's a whole mixture of acrylic. Oh, it's just all foreign language. It's acrylic. It's really pretty. It looks like the chocolate you get with all the little Smarty colours in it. That is so pretty, and it's soft. It's so soft. Now we've got one of those. Is that the same one? These. Oh, it's called Rascal. It's a 50-gram ball. It's by Sirdar. And oh my goodness, that is so, so soft. That would make beautiful little baby clothes and baby hats. It's so pretty. And then there's this colour here. The colour on this one is 0464, the shade. It's just amazing soft. It is so different from a way back in the day when you would never get anything this soft to knit or crochet with. And I'll tip the box a little bit. Oh, there's two of these. These are 100 grams. Oh, it's so soft as well. This is called Baby Blossom Chunky. Look at that. Who's it by? Hayfield. It's 100 grams. The shade is 0365. There's no colour on it. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's a little mixed colour. And it's really pretty. It's soft. Now, this is like an Aran weight. It's got 155 metres, that's 170 yards, it's 100 grams, 70% acrylic and 30% nylon. That's so nice, that. And it's Blossom Chunky. That's pretty. And we've got these two. That's that Rascal again. Look at that. That is so nice. It's so nice. The number for this is 0455. That's the shade, and it's 50% nylon, 45% acrylic. There's 165 metres. That's 179 yards, and it's got 50 grams in it. And that is Sirdar Snuggly Rascal. Got all the little children running around in it. It's pretty. So soft. Goodness. I'm just popping them down into a bag that I've got down there. Oh, this has got sequins in it. This is a Sirdar again. It's called, here we go. Suki. I would say it's called Suki. Soukie. It's a double knitting and it's got tiny little sequins in it. Oh, that'll be a challenge to make something. Won't be much of a challenge. I'll make something with it. Its shade number is 0185. There's no actual colour on it. It's a 50-gram ball, so that makes it 110 metres, 120 yards. It is 33% acrylic and 27% cotton and 40% polyester. It's so nice. It's soft though, even though it's got those sequences in it. Sequences? Is that what you call them? Sequences? It's a beautiful shade of sort of pinky purple. And even though it's got the sequins in it, they're soft. I mean, I'm really squishing that and they're not jaggy at all. Now, there's one more little ball of that. There's one more little ball of the funky fur. How much is in that? I don't think it is a 50-gram ball. 90 metres, 90 yards. Now, it used to puzzle me that when it was 50 grams, I would think 50 grams is 50 grams, and the meterage or the yardage would be the same. But it goes as well by the weight. You can have a yarn that's heavy, so it'll have less yards in it than another one that's 50 grams, because these little rascal ones are 50-gram balls. And this has got 179 yards because it's lighter than this. So beware when you, not beware, but watch when you're buying a yarn as well. If you're looking for something that's just, if it says 50 grams, that's not going to go as far as that because this is lighter. The heavier the yarn, the less that you'll get for the weight. So bear in mind when you're doing blankets that if someone says it's 100 grams and you go to use 100 grams of this, you would need more because there's less in it, even though the weight is the same, but the length of it is not, because this is heavier. So that's that little box done. So that's that box done. What I'll do is I'm just going to flip it over. I'll just do that. And I'll flip it over to the other one because there is another box here attached. The two of them are stuck together. So I'm kind of imagining, I think it might be the same yarn that's in it. We'll just twirl that around. I can get that. Muttley is eagerly waiting down at my feet for the box. Aren't you? Are you wanting the box? He wants to put his ball in the box. Come on, Alison, get it open, get it open. So I'll turn that back round, get my chair to go round. And there we go, let's have a look. Oh, it's slightly different. No, it's not, it's the same. It is the same, it's the same amount. It's the same yarn that's in it. So it gives you double the amount of yarn with you buying two. So there's two more of those. And there's two more of those cotton ones. I'll put that into my little box I've got down there. There should be two more of those. Yep. Oh, it's so soft. It's really, really soft. So it makes that you end up with four. So you end up double the yarn. And we've got two more of those. So yeah, it's definitely double. It's the same box as the other one. And look at that, there's two more of those. So we've got those two. It's the same yarn again. I'll put that in my little box that I've got down there. And we should have two of these. So we've got two of these. I'll pop that back in. And we've got two of those ones. And another two of those ones. My goodness, Claire. My goodness. So Claire and I, we WhatsApp each other quite a little bit now. And it's amazing that the friends that I've made through my YouTube channel and through my my Facebook group with my little list of new friends that I have on my WhatsApp. So thank you very much, Claire. I mean, you're too good to be true as a friend. You really are. It's amazing. Thank you so, so much. And I'm definitely going to do those cotton wraps for my ankles because Claire knows how much pain I get into, and I just don't say anything to anybody because sometimes the pain is quite excruciating. But never mind that. I mean, we're still alive, and that's the main thing, isn't it? I mean, no matter how bad you feel, there's usually always someone that's worse than you, and even then there's always somebody that's worse than them. And it's how you take it, isn't it? It's the way you look at life a lot of the time. And I know a lot of people that are on come onto my YouTube and my Facebook that a lot of them have medical issues, and it's keeping everyone cheerful, it's keeping everyone busy as well. So again, thank you, Claire. Really, I mean, she'll just send me a little text and say, "Oh, there's a box coming. Oh, there's a bag coming." But anyway, thank you so much, and thank you for joining me on this little Happy Meal box. And this is what you get in the mystery box from the knitting. I keep having to look down here. From the Knitting Network, and it's fabulous. And she got me two. There's two little mystery boxes, and they've stuck them together. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Come on, help me get up to 200,000 subscribers. That's my next target. That's my next target. So I don't get any monetary gain from having a lot of subscribers. It's moral support. And the more subscribers it shows underneath your name with your channel, then the more likely you are to gain more people that will come and have a look at your work. And that's why I like it. So if you click on the bell icon as well, that's just down there, if you click on that, then YouTube will let you know when I post another video. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.